Okay, good day everyone. Welcome to my channel, Mathematics of Today's Generation. Okay, kung bago ka pa lang dito sa channel ko, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakipindot na rin sa notification bell para updated kayo sa mga panibagong videos na i-upload ko. Kung ikaw ay mathematics contestant, okay, mathematics coach, or a mathematics enthusiast, then this tutorial is for you. Okay, without further ado, let's begin. Okay, we are now on problem number 17, okay, evaluating an expression number 4. Okay, this problem is taken from the previous Philippine Mathematical Olympiad, okay, and we're going to solve this in a very systematic and easy manner. Okay, the problem goes, okay, if x plus y plus x times y equals 1, where x, y are non-zero real numbers, then we are tasked to find the value of x times y plus 1 over x times y minus y over x minus x over y. Okay, so by the way, there are so many ways to solve this problem, but in my own way, I will solve in this manner. Okay, for my solution, okay, I will begin here. So we have xy plus 1 over xy minus y over x minus x over y. Okay, my strategy is I'm going to group these terms and these terms. So this follows that xy plus 1 over xy minus, so we're going to factor out negative 1 outside. So we now have y over x plus x over y. Then after grouping, we're going to simplify this expression and this expression. So we now have xy as the LCD, then xy times xy. So we have xy quantity squared, then plus xy divided by xy. So we have 1 times 1, we have 1. Then minus, so the LCD here is x times y. Then x times y divided by x. Then we have y, then times y, so we have y squared. Then plus xy divided by y, so we have x, then times x, so we have x squared. Okay. Then simplifying this, we have xy, quantity squared plus 1 over xy, minus, so this expression can be manipulated as follows. So we can write this one as x plus y quantity squared minus 2xy over x times y. Okay, why? It's because x squared plus y squared is equal to x plus y quantity squared minus 2xy. So we just substituted the value of this, which is this one. So we now have this. So now this follows that we have xy quantity squared plus 1 over xy minus, we're going to split this expression as follows: x plus y quantity squared over xy, then minus 2xy over xy. So we're going to distribute this one, negative times negative, so we have now a positive. Then by simplifying this further and combining this expression and this one, because we have the same denominator, so we now have xy quantity squared minus x plus y quantity squared plus 1 over xy, then xy divided by xy, so this is equal to 1, so therefore we have plus 2 here. Okay, now this is the equivalent expression for this expression. Okay, since we do not have space here, so I'll clean up the board and I'll put this here. Okay? Expression is equivalent to this expression. Now, we're going to use this equation and we're going to manipulate this to find this expression, xy quantity squared minus x plus y quantity squared, because we're going to substitute the value of this here. Okay, now, okay, we want to find the value of xy quantity squared minus x plus y quantity squared. Okay, and we're going to manipulate this equation as I said. So we now have x plus y plus x times y equals 1. Then applying the subtraction property of equality, this can be written now as x plus y is equal to 1 minus x times y. Then, by squaring both sides of the equation, this follows that we have x plus y quantity squared equals 1 minus xy quantity squared. Okay, then, expanding this, so we now have 1 minus 2xy plus xy quantity squared. Okay, then, since we are tasked to find this expression, so this expression must be placed to the right-hand side of the equation. And this expression must be placed to the left-hand side of the equation. So now, by applying the addition and subtraction property of equality, so this can be written now as 2xy minus 1 is equal to xy quantity squared minus the x plus y quantity squared. So we now have an equivalent expression for this expression, so which is 2xy minus 1. Okay, now we're going to substitute that value here. So this follows that we have 2xy minus 1, then copy here plus 1. Okay, this value is equal to this value, that one. Then over x times y, then plus 2. Then negative 1 plus 1, so that is equal to 0. Then we now have 2xy divided by xy plus 2. Then xy divided by xy is equal to 1. So therefore, we have 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4. Okay. Thus, the expression that we want to find xy plus 1 over xy minus y over x minus x over y is just equal to 4. Okay. And I think it's a good place to start.